Hello everyone, my name is Ali Al Malla and it's my pleasure to welcome you to our presentation on Moist Preventer, a smart solar powered humidity control device designed for the UAE's unique climate challenges. Our innovation uses atmospheric water generation technology to extract humidity from the air, convert it into clean water, and improve indoor environmental conditions. Me and my esteemed colleagues looking forward to sharing our insights with you. So let's get started. Next, please. Humidity is one of the UAE's most persistent environmental challenges, silently damaging buildings, lowering air quality, and driving up energy use as residents struggle to stay comfortable. Despite the country's rapid technological advancement, most existing humidity control solutions remain outdated and blind to real environmental patterns. Moist Preventer introduces a new way forward. This smart solar powered system not only reduces humidity but it transforms it into clean, usable water through atmospheric water generation. With an integrated IoT sensors and AI driven analytics, it monitors environmental conditions in real time and predicts changes before they occur, offering users a proactive and intelligent solution. Built to support national sustainability agendas, Moist Preventer serves homes, businesses, and government facilities, helping to create indoor environments healthier, more efficient, and better adapted to UAE's demanding climate. Next, please. The UAE faces exceptionally high humidity, often reaching 90 to 95%, which damages the property, promotes mold growth, and worsen human and animal health issues. Traditional dehumidifiers rely heavily on electricity, provide no data insights, and offer no environmental benefits. Our analysis found a clear market gap. Existing solutions do not provide AI predictive insights or integrate humidity management with water generation. Moist Preventer directly responds to this gap. To take us further, I'll turn the presentation over to Ms. Hassa. Thank you.
Hello, it's Hassa Sarkar. And to build on the introduction, I'll continue by presenting the market analysis, our value proposition, and the business model canvas. As my colleague Alia said, the UAE has one of the highest humidity levels globally, which affects um, people in daily, which affects people in their daily life in several ways. For example, it can cause discomfort, increases electricity usage, and causes mold growth, which has both health and environmental consequences. At the same time, the UAE is investing in sustainability and climate adaptation technologies under several future visions and strategies. However, we identified a competitor, which is WaterGen. It's a device that extracts water from air, um, but it is a standalone machine with no smart tools such as predicting and tracking humidity through a mobile application, which means Moist Preventer has a strong opportunity in the market uh, place. as a smart, data-driven solution. And to validate our study, we conducted a survey targeting our audience, homeowners, sustainability experts, and residents. Results showed that people are affected by humidity mentally and physically, and they're willing to invest in such device as moist preventer. Our value is to reduce humidity and discomfort, improve environmental and public health, generate reusable water, and reduce electricity and water waste. What makes our solution unique is the integration of IoT sensors and AI algorithms. These technologies allow the device to detect and predict humidity and activate the system whenever needed. The device is also connected to a mobile application to provide a transparency customer experience to our customers. Moving forward to our business canvas, I'll be focusing on three key areas, which are our customer segments, our customer relationships, and our distribution channels. First, our customer segments. Um, we're targeting four segments: homeowners and residents, commercial buildings such as offices, malls, cafes, and hotels, government entities and municipalities, um, and animal facilities, shelters, and farms where humidity also impacts animal health. Second, our customer relationships. We rely on hyper-targeted social media marketing to reach our customers, and our mobile application becomes the main communication point where customers can request support and engage with us for technical and physical device-related concerns. They are also able to shop and manage their subscriptions. Lastly, the distribution channels. We will be distributing the product online through our mobile application. And for a larger scale land areas, we will be relying on partnerships, for example, through Masdar City, Ministry of Climate Change and Environment, and Dubai Municipality. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Brita Isa and I'll be continuing what my colleague Hassa explained. Business model innovation, a product recap, innovative solution, a first of its kind solar powered atmospheric water generator integrated with IoT and AI, not currently available in the UAE market. Smart intelligence, AI driven humidity forecasting, water generation optimization, and predictive maintenance alerts to reduce downtime and improve efficiency. User dashboard, a mobile platform that displays air quality, water production, and environmental trends, powered by Azure IoT plus Power BI for real-time analytics. Scalable impact, designed to expand into city-level environmental insights, supporting data-driven and sustainability decisions in the future. Moving forward with technical architecture, we have 6 steps. Step 1 is solar-powered water generation. Solar panels powered with AWG unit, which is the solar-powered atmospheric water generator, which extracts moisture from the air and converts it to clean water. Step 2 is the data collection with IoT sensors. It's built in sensors measure humidity, air quality, temperature, and water output in real time. Step 3 is secure data transfer to the cloud. All sensor data is sent through a secure API to the cloud backend for processing and storage. Step 4, AI analysis and predictions. analyze patterns, predicted humidity levels, optimize water generation, and detected possible maintenance issues. Step 5 is user dashboard and alerts. It's a mobile app. It displays air quality, the water production, and environmental trends. Users can receive real-time alerts and insights for performance and maintenance. And step 6 is a portable deployment. The system's compact, portable design allows it to be used at homes, farms, camps, and also in outdoor locations. Moving forward with the risk analysis and mitigation, we only have one challenge, which is the climate. It is unpredictable, as we know. We could get, for example, like storms, unpredictable storms, or sudden storms, heavy rain, or sudden weather shifts. Fire safety risks during extreme temperatures, dust and harsh weather, reducing filtration and system efficiency. Mitigation measures, automatic shut-off system, and storm detection sensors. Legal considerations, compliance with the local environment, safety and water quality regulations. Last but not least, certification requirements for electrical safety and outdoor deployment. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Amna Shamsi and I'll be presenting the financial side of our startup, showing how much it will cost us to launch, how much we can earn, and why our project has a strong potential to grow. So let's start with the initial cost estimation. Because we are building a brand new startup, our 5 year our first year is all about creating a strong foundation. We are focusing on building our 5 prototype units, testing them in real UAE conditions, and preparing everything for our market launch. To keep this simple and clear, we have divided our first year expenses into 2 categories. First of all, the startup cost, and secondly, the operating cost. So let's start with the capex. Our startup costs represent the one-time investment that bring the most preventer to life. We will invest, or we will allocate 18K into developing the AI system, the mobile application, and the backend. This is the core technology that gives our product its competitive edge. And additionally, we will spend 15K on the materials for the prototype. This includes the solar AWG parts, IoT sensors, eco-filtration system, and casing needed to build our first working units. To make sure our idea truly works in real UAE conditions, we will allocate 20K for pilot installation with Masdar City and Municipality of Climate Change and Environment. This gives us a real-world testing, essential performance data, and strong credibility for 2 major sustainability institutions. We also need 4K for tools and equipment and 2K for calibration kits. Altogether, our startup investment for the first year gonna be approximately 59K. So now let's move to the OpEx. Alongside these one-time costs, we calculated the yearly operating expenses needed to keep the business running. So this includes 72K for 2 part-time members who will handle assembly and operations, 4.6 for marketing, 8K for administrative tools, and 3K for cloud hosting and maintenance. So our operational cost for the first year comes to 87K. So finally, when we combine both the startup and operating costs, our full financial requirement for the first year gonna be approximately 146.6K. This investment allows us to develop the prototype, test it in real environments, and prepare for the commercial launch. Can you move to the second page, please? Okay, so Once our prototype is validated through the pilot phase, we move into commercial production, and this is where the business becomes exciting from the financial perspective or standpoint. With bulk materials and more efficient production process, our cost to produce each unit will drop to 2,100 dirhams. We will sell the smart model at 5.9K, giving us a strong profit of 3.8K per device. So let's assume if we, sorry, if we sold 60 units in our first commercial year, we will generate 354K in device sales. On top of that, our annual subscription model brings in another 48K. So our total projected revenue gonna be approximately 402K. Our total expenses for the year, including production and operations, gonna be approximately 213.6K. After subtracting these costs from our revenue, our expected net profit for the first year is approximately 188.4 thousand. We will break even after selling 39 units, and with subscriptions included, break even happens even earlier at 32 customers. Most importantly, our first year return on investment is around 128%, showing that our idea is not only visible, but financially strong and scalable. So yeah, let's move to my other colleague.
Thank you, Amna. Hi, everyone. My name is Hiba Mansour, and I will be continuing this presentation, presenting the legal considerations and the ethical considerations for this product. So, on legal considerations, the moist preventer must align with the UAE's major sustainability frameworks. This includes the UAE Energy Strategy 2050, Green Agenda 2030, and Net Zero 2050. Any pilot testing, whether in farms, public spaces, or coastal areas, needs to follow guidelines from the Ministry of Climate Change and Environment, the Dubai Municipality, Masdar City, and so on. Because the device uses IoT sensors and a mobile application, we must also fully comply with the UAE Personal Data Protection Law by securing user data, encrypting information, and ensuring proper consent. The product must also meet national safety standards for solar equipment, electrical components, and weather resistance, supported with clear manuals and warranties to avoid legal liability. Our intellectual property should be protected through patents with the Ministry of Economy, and all hardware or software from third parties must be properly licensed. Additionally, installation in any facility must follow the occupational health and safety standards and rules, while commercial rollout may require agreements or licenses through local authorities such as the Department of Economic Development. Moving on to the ethical considerations for the product, the moist preventer must handle all user and environmental data transparently, giving users full control and avoiding any unauthorized data sharing. The AI features must behave ethically by remaining unbiased, accurate, and easy for users to understand. Environmentally, we must ensure the device supports sustainability by using recyclable materials, safe filters, and installation practices that do not harm the natural environment. It is also important to maintain a transparency with customers about how the device works, how water is filtered, and any limitations during extreme weather conditions. Public health and animal welfare must also be protected, especially if the device is placed in farms or animal shelters. And finally, to promote fairness, the device should remain reasonably priced for different income groups, and all testing should be done responsibly, ensuring that the technology used does not create unintended environmental or social impacts. In conclusion, our next steps to move forward with this product is to build a small-scale prototype using local solar components, having a pilot installation in coastal or high humidity areas like Jumeirah in Dubai or Yas Island in Abu Dhabi, and then partner with the Ministry of Climate Change and Environment, Masdar City, or other municipalities for field testing, and finally to launch digital marketing campaign and prepare the commercial strategy. Our final message is that the moist preventer brings innovation, sustainability, and AI-driven impact to UAE's environmental landscape. We hope this presentation was clear, and please feel free to reach out to any of the team members if you have any questions. Thank you.